The basic rules of chess that no matter what game you are playing, you got to keep in mind to have a better game, to have a good chance of winning. So let's start it. Number 1, always control the center. Your game should be focused on taking control of the center square. That means your e4, e5, your d4, d5 squares, and the rest that you can see in green, and rest of the yellow squares as well. All this comprises of the center board of chess, and the more your pieces are focused towards the center, the better your position is and the better your game becomes. Rule number 2, never bring out your queen too early until and unless it's an advantage. Yeah, basically sometimes what happens, yeah, there's this two move and four move and five moves made, in which the queen comes out on the second or the third move, so which is not good, because if the opponent is somewhat a good player, then he can just manipulate your queen to move around and get a better position for himself. So bringing out queen is not a good idea. Even if sometimes you are thinking of that opponent might fail for a trick, it's just not a good idea. Rule number 3, when you castle your king, don't open the castle. Sometimes what happens that castling is a very important part of a game, and it brings your king to a safe location while you attack the opponent king. And there are different kinds of castles in which you can defend your king as well as have a strong position. But what happens is an opponent always tries to break the castle, so sometimes you get carried away and you can play a move like this, which is not a good idea. Rule number 4, don't just think of attacking your opponent but also of defending your side, because most often or not, you get so immersed in attacking that you forget that sometimes that makes you vulnerable and your pieces are left hanging, so that opponent can take advantage of that and he can attack you and gain control of the game. So don't just focus on attacking. Yes, attack, but at the same time think of defending as well. Rule number 5, and this is somewhat uh, a mature rule. Like, the more mature you are as a player, you know that this rule is as important as the others. The rule is never start an exchange, because until and unless you are gaining an advantage, because most often if you are just exchanging, you are giving your piece away. The opponent is gaining a position. He might not gain a piece, but he will gain a position. And like example in this case. So these are the 5 basic rules of chess. If you keep on focusing on these 5 rules, it will definitely improve your game. Okay, now a simple chess puzzle for you to solve. Let's see how many of you can solve it. If you can solve it, then let us know your moves in the comment section down below. Thank you.